Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is Samsung Xcover5, one of the decent compact phone from Samsung. And my friend got it from his work as a work phone, and he set up the PIN number a couple of weeks ago before his holiday, and now he completely forgot what's the PIN number that he set it. He brought it to me to master reset it. To master resetting Xcover5 is quite funny. You need to get into recovery mode due to master reset or wipe out the phone. So this is quite similar to Apple phone. You need to connect the USB cable to the PC, and other end should goes to the phone, and then we need to follow the procedure. So I'm going to show you in this video how to master reset it without USB cable plugged into the computer and other end plugged into the phone wouldn't work. So first of all, connect your USB cable to the PC, and other end should go to this phone like that. And when the screen is on, we need to press down the volume down button plus the power button simultaneously. Don't let it go. So make sure the screen is on and press and hold both of them at the same time. Let it completely shut down the screen. Now switch the volume down to volume up, but don't leave the power button. Now we're going to see Samsung. Still we're going to hold it. Once we see the Galaxy, we're going to release all the button, and that's all. We don't need to worry about it. Now it's going to go directly to the Android recovery. As you can see, this is the traditional Android recovery option, which is quite simple. Now by pressing volume down and volume up, we can go to any option that we would like. But remember, once you do factory reset, you're going to lose every single data. So bear in mind before you do anything stupid. Once we press the reset, within few seconds it's going to be completely resetted. But the problem is, when it rebooted, it takes like about 5 minutes for my ends. Okay. Now, until end of the process, I would suggest you leave your charger connected. Don't unplug it. I tried couple of times the same procedure. When I left the cable connected, the process was pretty much quicker than, remove the cable. I don't know why, but that's what happened. Okay. So once you see Samsung Galaxy Android, the boot logo, just leave it like that on the desk, wait for a few minutes, and it should be fine. I left the cable unplugged at the beginning when I tried first time, and it took so long, I don't know why, about 8 to 10 minutes. On the next time when I tried again, leaving cable connected, it was done within 5 to 6 minutes. And I don't know what's the reason behind it, but thank you so much for watching. Still, if you do have any question, please leave it in the comment section, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for your time.